Hello everyone, welcome to Code Invasion. In this video, we learn how the includes method in JavaScript works. The includes method in JavaScript is an array method that returns a true or false value based on whether an element is contained in an array or not. Let's see what this means in code. Suppose we have a names array like we do on our screen. If we want to check if the name Frank is included in our array, we can simply do this by using the includes method. So we'll simply type names dot includes and then we'll pass in our value, in this case Frank. Now we can save or store the value returned by the includes method in a variable. To do this, we'll simply create a variable and name it included, and then now we can log our included variable to the console. Let's type console.log included, and then to see our value, we can now run our file using node in the terminal. To do this, we type in the command node and then our file name, which in this case is index.js. Hit enter and we see true. Suppose the name or the value we wanted to check was Prince, which is not included in our array. If we run the file again using node, we will see that it will return false. Now, a very important thing to note when using the includes method is that the includes method is very case sensitive. So if we were to check for Frank again, but this time around using a lowercase f, we would see that the includes method would return a false variable, a false value. This is because the casing of our value does not match what is contained in our array. So guys, this is something you should look out for when using the includes method. Thank you once again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.